The 2011 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, rear defrost, climate control, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.